Yes. Pan pizza, Alex and Max. What? Let me see. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Oh, some water can.
Daddy, look!
What? You want to go back in the bounce house? But you just came out of the bounce house, man. Say hello, guys. So the kids having fun in the backyard in their slide pool and their bounce house. Let's show what's going on. Yeah, welcome back to Max, Alex and Max. Yeah, what's up, Alex?
Daddy, look! Again! Watch me!
You need help? Okay. I'm gonna come grab you.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah. All right, let me come get you down first.
Guys, watch me!
One more time.
I got it! I got it!
There you go. You ready? You not ready yet, boy? We're getting funny. What? What, boy? What? Come on, let's go.
Daddy, watch me! 3, 2, 1! Daddy! Dada, be careful! Daddy, you're so waterproof! That's why you need to be careful, Dada! Guys, watch me! Watch me, guys!
What? You want to go back in the bounce house? But you just came out of the bounce house, man. What are you doing, Alex?
Go, guys. Again.
You want to go in there?
No.
In the slide?
Yeah.
Alright, let me get my phone. You want to go in the bounce house? Okay, you good, Alex?
Yeah, I want to go to that.
Yeah? Alright, come on, let's put you back in the bounce house. Okay. Pops, what are you doing? Hey, what's up? You good?
Dad, what are you
Papa, you good?
doing?
Oh, some water can.
Back to the cannonball!
Eh? Eh? You look like you can hold water. Eh?
Hey, Mom. That
Oh,
was
nice.
a great idea, guys. Hey, Mom.
Oh, that pizza.
Dad.
Nice. Pan pizza, Alex and Max. What? Let me see. Wow, look at that. Awesome.
Oh, dear, Mom. In the backyard, not expecting water, okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. And if we had a party, people can slide right in. Yeah. And people can jump
Yeah.
in.
Yeah, guys, so mommy just brought some pizza for these guys. We've been at it from 10 o'clock. Now it's like 1:45. Been in the water for quite a while. So I took them out of it. And they're now sitting underneath the umbrellas. So I'm going inside to prepare their lunch, and I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna get the pizza and come back, okay?
Okay, dry off before you go in the house because we don't want the house to be wet like that.
Okay. Papa, you alright? Papa look like he's ready to sleep. You good,
I
Pops?
don't want to stay here by myself. What if the big green fly?
Green heads.
But there's gonna be more.
I hope not. Alright. You guys wanna go up on the you guys wanna go up there and sit then?
Yeah, upstairs.
You wanna go up there, Max? Yeah? You wanna stay right here? Okay. So come.
And Daddy, before you go, turn off the water slide thing.
Okay. So yes guys, so I just gave them their pizza. And they're just relaxing.
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm amazing.
Amazing, man.
I was
Papa?
down the slide and I fell
You
up. Daddy, when I went down the side, I was on the side when you were on the side, like the edge of the slide, and then I slid down, and then I fell out of the pool.
Yeah.
That feel like you know, crazy.
Drink your juice too, okay?
I'll ask mommy for more pizza.
You going for a piece more?
Mm-hmm.
What's one more candles for him?
Dad, I turned off the pool.
Oh, thank you.
Dad,
So guys, that's it for today. Yeah. So guys, that's it for today, man.
Daddy,
Yeah.
mommy got french fries and pizza.
She's making French fries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maxie, you want french fries?
You said yes.
Mommy, Maxie wants french fries as well.
But do I
I'm Max.
want to buy you money will be TV?
Cheers.
Hey, that's mine.
Cheers.
Yeah. Oh, get away, flies. You're not getting anything.
Yeah.
Not a flies are getting that piece of pizza.
Yeah.
Right there. Look, right there.
Yeah, I see it. I see
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
The sun is pelting. Let me get it, Pops. The sun is pelting. It's not gonna hold over there, Pops. You gotta put it. Let me see if you can hold. No, I think you put it right here. Right here is better.
It won't fit in there.
Put no, the other side. This the zipper side. Pull open the zipper side. Not all in here.
Yeah, it's easy to take out.
Get it? Can take it out.
Huh?
The fries are a little bit hot.
Uh-huh.
Take Stick your nut on my plate, boy. Too gravelicious. Stick your nut on my plate. Gravelicious like stick your nut on my plate.
You like a monster fry.
Yeah.
You like a monster French fry.
I said to you my plate. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is my cup. Ice. Okay, take one. Ice is already in your cup, Max. Mommy already put ice in your cup.
Mine's
Apple juice
melted.
is in your cup already.
That's why you don't want to put too much ice in your thing, and it can't be big. And they can't be big, or it's not gonna. And it's not gonna have its flavor no more. It's just gonna taste
What is
like
that,
water.
Bye.
That's fries? Okay.
Cheers. Pizza cheers, guys.
Pizza cheers, Max. Pizza cheers. Nice. Leave it, Max. Leave it. Sit down, man. Do the what?
Let's do the French fries.
French fry cheers. Wow.
Wow.
French fries.
French fries.
Yay.
Taco bite. Pizza and pineapple. They put their pineapple on the pizza.
Okay.
But I don't do that. But one time, if we do.
So we've been at it all morning, and as you can see, Mommy just brought pizza, and then on top of that, she put some
French fries in the air fryer.
And this is lunch, so guys, we're gonna leave right now. As I say, we've been at it from 10 o'clock this morning. Super exhausted, super tired. That guy right there, he was, as you can see, he looks frost right now. Alex look like she can go at it again. As you can see out there, the bounce house them. Alex let down the bounce house, the slide slash pool over there. It's down, everything is down. So I'm gonna just eat my lunch, then bring these guys in the house, clean them up, fold up those bounce house and the pool, put them in the shed right there. That's it for today. So thanks for joining us one more time, guys. Thanks for joining Alex and Max one more time in the backyard, having fun. Hope that you guys enjoyed it with us. Here he is wrapping up his last piece of pizza. Yeah, Alex is still working on hers right there.
Yeah.
And the camera guy can't work on mine yet. All right. So guys, check out the rest of videos. Also check out Manix Robinson TV. I'll drop the link in the description for your tremendous support. So until we see you on the next journey, guys.
And subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, press that post notification bell so you won't miss an epic video, and eat some pizza.
Alright. Tell the viewers bye, Max. Bye. Alright, guys. Have yourself a good one. Be blessed, be safe, and have a blessed one.
Matthew, take a break of the pizza. You are like a pizza monster. Isn't he, Daddy?
Oh.
Pizza monster. You ate like 4 pieces of pizza, bro.
4 pieces, right?
Mm-hmm. 3 or 4, like, oh my God.
Don't want any more?
Okay.
Okay.